Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install the latest version of Python 3.7 on Windows operating system. This is Windows 10 operating system. So first of all, open your favorite browser and type download Python. Click on the first link. Now this is the official site for downloading various versions of Python. Click on the download tab, and for different operating system, different options are there. Now click on Windows. You can see there are different versions of Python available, 3.7, 3.66 and earlier versions as well. Now 3.7 is the latest version. Even under 3.7 there are different download options. Now it depends. If you want to use Python in your browser, then you can install this web-based installer. I am going to install executable installer, which you can use offline and you can even transfer it to different systems. Now there are two options again, x86 executable installer and x86 64 executable installer. If your operating system is Windows 10 and is running on 32-bit computer system, then you need to install Windows x86. Mine is 64-bit operating system, so I am going to install Windows x86 64. Now on this pop-up window, there are two options, install now and customize installation. I would suggest not to go for customization at this step. However, the most important point to remember is to check on this box, Add Python. Please do not forget to click on this box. Click on the install now. Once the setup is successful, close this box. Now we want to verify whether our Python has installed correctly or not. Type here Python. Let's start using Python. Now this is the exe program which we had already used, and this is idle IDE version. Let's start with simple command prompt. Now it's working.